Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a JEE Mains previous year question based on the matrices. Let us carefully understand the problem and learn how to approach this type of question. This question was asked in January 2026 session. Let's get started. Let us first carefully observe the problem. In question, it is given that determinant value of A is equal to 6 and A is 3 by 3 matrix. And this condition are given, then asked what is the value of M plus N. So first write this expression, that is determinant of adjoint of 3 adjoint of a square into adjoint of 2A. This type of question are very easy, but it is calculative, so we will focus the calculation. If you mistake this calculation, you will got the wrong answer. So first, in this case, we use two formula. We can write as a note, that is first one is determinant of any matrix. Suppose M is P cross P square matrix. Determinant of adjoint of M is equal to determinant of M power P minus 1. That is determinant apply the adjoint matrix, that will get determinant of this matrix power n P minus 1. So second is, suppose any constant multiply by this matrix, that is K multiply by matrix M, and we apply the determinant, that is actually K power P, that is this index into determinant of M. So these two formula are frequently used in this question. So remember this two formula. So in this question, is this determinant adjoint? So this formula first one is apply here. So determinant of adjoint of this matrix, so we consider this is a matrix, one matrix, so that is determinant of this, that is we can write determinant of this matrix 3 adjoint of a square into adjoint of 2A, and this matrix power P minus 1. P is 3, so a matrix is 3 cross 3, so this is the one of the matrix from A, so that matrix will gives the 3 cross 3 matrix, so that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So next we apply this formula here, because determinant of this constant into some matrix, so we apply this formula, determinant of K into M is equal to K times determinant of A. So that formula gives determinant of this matrix into multiply by K power P, so that is K is 3, so 3 power P, P is 3, and this bracket determinant of adjoint of a square into adjoint of 2A power 2. So therefore we get 3 power 3 multiply by determinant of adjoint of a square into adjoint of 2A power 2. So now we apply again this formula, first one formula, this formula here, so that is determinant of adjoint. So we number it, that is 1. Now we want to find this value, determinant of adjoint of a square into adjoint of 2A, this. So this value is determinant of this matrix power P minus 1, P is 3, so that is 2. So determinant of a square into adjoint of 2A, this matrix power 2. So therefore we get this value, determinant of a square into adjoint of 2A power 2. So one formula use here, so we can write as a note, determinant of two matrix A into B, that is determinant of A multiplied by determinant of B. So that is determinant of this matrix into determinant of this matrix. So we can write it determinant of A square into determinant of adjoint of this 2A, and its power is 2. So A or B are same, so determinant of A square is equal to determinant of A whole square. So we can write this determinant of A square is equal to determinant of A whole square, because determinant value of A are given. So therefore we can write is determinant of A whole square multiplied by determinant of adjoint of 2A power whole square. So again we use this formula 1, here, that is determinant of adjoint A, so that is determinant of A whole square into, that is determinant of adjoint of 2a, that is determinant of 2a power p minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. This power is 2. So we get determinant of a whole square into determinant of 2a whole square power whole square. So from here we use this formula, this second formula, determinant of any constant multiplied by matrix is equal to k power p into determinant of m. So use here determinant of a power whole square into, that is 2 power 3, because p is 3, into determinant of a, that is, that power is 2. So we put here, and this 2 is this 2. So we put now the value of determinant of a. In a question it is given that determinant of a is equal to 6. So we put here 6 square multiplied by 2q into 6 square and this square. So now we break 6 is equal to 3 into 2. So that is square, 2 square into 2 cube into 6 is 3 into 2, and square, that is square. Therefore if we calculate it, 3 square multiplied 2 square into, that is 2 power cube, that is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 square, this square. So if we calculate and simplify, square multiplied by 2 power 8 to 3 square, that is square. Now we simplify 3 square, this 3 square, 3 power 4 and 2 power 10, that is square. So that is 3 power 8 into multiplied by 2 power 20. So we got this answer. This value is equal to 3 power 8 multiplied by 2 power 20. So but we need to find this value. So we write determinant of adjoint of 3 adjoint of a square adjoint of 2a is equal to this value 3 cube multiplied by this value we find this 3 power 8 multiplied by 2 power 20. So that is 3 power cube multiplied by 3 power 8 into 2 power 20 and whole square. So that is 3 power 11 into 2 power 20 square, that is 3 power 22 multiplied by 2 power 40. In question it is given that this value is equal to 2 power m into 3 power n. So therefore it is equal to 2 power m multiply 3 power n. This imply m is equal to 40, n is equal to 22. Therefore m plus n, in question asked what is the value of m plus n, that is 40 plus 22, that is actually 62. So therefore the 62 is the correct answer. So overall the question we use three formula, that is determinant of adjoint of any matrix square matrix, that is m is equal to determinant of m power p minus 1. P is a matrix is P cross P square matrix. And second we use this formula, determinant of any constant multiplier of this matrix is equal to k power P into determinant of n. And third one we use determinant of two arbitrary matrix m multiplied by n, determinant of m multiplied by determinant of n. So using these three formula we find this expression. We use determinant of adjoint matrix of this using this first formula and second formula and third formula. We get this value is 2 power 40 multiplied by 3 power 22, and given that this value is 2 power m and 3 power n. From here we compare m and n, we got m is equal to 40 and n is equal to 20, and question asks what is the value of m plus n, that is actually 62. So therefore it is the answer.